Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a guest user profile. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to setup and basically we need simply to go here to this icon and we click on setup. After that, we need just to go to all sites so we can access to our sites. And basically here in the digital experience, we will find all sites. Now, all we need to do is to go to the builder. So simply we need just to click on the builder and then we need to start adding the guest user profile so any guest user would be able to connect to this site. So here we'll find the page property and here we will find the site property. So as you can see here, now we can go to the guest user profile. Now we can access for guests or unauthenticated users. So I'm just going to the profile and basically here we will find our profile and you can create a profile for your site. So as you can see, a profile has been connected. Now you can start adding the access or modifying the access for anything. So as you can see, those are the tab settings. You can make them only read only, or you can hide them if you want. You can do whatever you like. So simply just click on edit, and now you will be able to edit all the permission. So if you want something to be visible, you can do it. You can make anything hidden for the profile or for the guest user. You can start giving them, for example, only read access. You can give them create access, etc. At the end, you will need just to save. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.